back to the channel. Today we are doing a full unboxing of the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 4 break after break. And this is specifically our updated final batch A1 version. We've made significant improvement across multiple details on this ROM, and I'm going to walk you through everything as we open it up. Let's get into it. First thing, the packaging, and straight away this sets the tone. So the shoes box comes with this break pattern shoes box in white and gray color. When you touch it, you can feel the break texture. And on the top cover, you got the Bike Air logo. And this is a pair men's size 11, which is women's size 12.5. I'm showing you right now. When you open the shoes box, inside the shoes cover, you got two stamps. One is the number stamp, another is a circle QC stamp in red color. And you can feel the Nike swoosh logo and the air, the letters, the 3D texture inside the shoes cover too. So it comes with two actual shoes laces. One is red color, another is dark gray color, which look like black color, in brown packaging, and it comes with a red stripe to protect the whole package. And I want to tell you guys that this stripe is original stripe, same as the retail one. Is very thick. Some replica version in the market, their color is wrong. Also, the stripe is not such thick. It's incorrect. I will do a comparison later. I will point what's the differences in this video, but I want to show you right now. But if you have interest to see that comparison, don't forget to check my next video, because the next video I'm going to post it. So it comes with this kind of bag, plastic bag with the shoes inside and shoes wrapped with a white paper. Also here, I want to tell you that this paper is also same as the original one from Nike retail store and the retail pair you got from retail store. But some others version of their paper isn't the same quality. This paper is a waxy paper and it's difficult to be broken. And you got a sticker, a green sticker inside this shoes box. You should have a closer look, feel the texture. And under the shoes box here, you got a GO logo in gray color. So guys, we did a shoes review before, but that was our first batch. We already updated the shoes to our final batch. We fixed some parts of the shoes. First part is the shoes laces. Before, the shoes lace width is different, but this one we are using original shoes lace now, same as the retail one. And the second way we fix the shoes is the inside of the shoes. There's 4 lights. Before, we only have 2 lights inside it. Feel the leather, full green smooth leather throughout the upper. This is one of the updates we made on the final batch. The cell tone is dilated in perfectly warm, creamy, consistent panel to panel. Look at the toe box from the top down. Flat and white, exactly how it should sit on the Air Jordan 4. This was one of the key improvements on the final batch. The profile is low and spread out. Not boxy, not narrow. We go deeper on this when we drop the retail comparison video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Quick one, look at the full foot. The mini swoosh is back carried over the Nigel First Air Jordan 4 collab. Small cleans, light rises. That's a signature detail of this whole partnership and executed correctly here. And moving on, you got the shoes laces here. We want to tell you that there are so many replica versions in this market. Only our batch using the retail shoes laces, same as the retail pair. same white and same cream color, the word of brake. And moving on, you got the German logo here. The German logo, we need to tell you guys that there is a gap here through the basketball to the stitching. So a lot of replica version, their basketball is touch the stitching or even cross the stitching, which is incorrect. And about the netting, you got the netting on the side part and the shoe stem here. The netting looks aged, a little bit yellowing, but this is the design of the break after break, made the shoes look more fashionable. This is another side, it's super clean. And it comes with a hand tag. The hand tag is same texture as the back here. So having a closer look is back air in stitching material. And inside the shoe time you got words of Jordan backing CO 2017, and it's really soft. And this is the shoes back look like. Also, you got a bike inside here, the tab here. It comes with paper insert. This is the shoes insole. It's same thick as the retail one and it's flexible. Make the shoes very comfortable. And you got some words here. And on the heel of the shoes insole, you got Bike Air and Soft logo and GO logo of their collab logos here. Check the insole out, you got 4 lights inside the shoes. I want to tell you guys, earlier time our first batch only have 2 lights, but now we fixed it because the retail one have 4 lights inside the shoes. And here is the outsole. Also, we have this bike and the GO socks, which is same style as the Break After Break Air Jordan 4. If you have interest, you can also find these socks on our site.